might be the life.
That would be me most of the time. I really would like to just have an RV with kayaks, bikes, and just drive all over.
A few moments later.
I'm sure it's about Yukon.
What the shit is that? Move up.
Do you remember? Some guys wouldn't even leave
Come
after
on.
they boarded.
What are you
They would
doing?
just stand at a window waving at a machine backing up because they were so happy to finally be alone.
Oh my god, seriously?
Now what do you get to do?
There's a car right behind me, I can't back
barely
up.
slow down and kick them to the curb. Yeah, I don't know about...
Fuck, you went straight from a left turn, dude. Just went right through a stop. I guess you don't want to be here.
Got it easy. You don't have to sit in all that traffic then.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Oh, we're not gonna pull out it from me, are you? What are you doing in the middle of the street? Yeah, fucking jaywalkers everywhere. That was so freaking red.
I'll follow Jamie. Yeah, we're good. I'm a jerk.
Yeah. Oh, you douchebag!
Right to the fried dough stand.
Downtown. Webster Street? I think it does.
Over the line!
Oh, whoa, whoa. That was a no turn on red. It's the magic finger that makes people not run you over. What the hell's this guy doing? That was kind of a weird turn. And can we decide what lane we want? Dude. Can we decide what we're doing? You suck.
Study that showed that when surges happen, people that phones are
Die. They happen with people that are, so I think that's what happened.
2 in a row I got cut off of. Yeah, I know, I heard about that. What the fuck? Whoa, what the? Oh boy. Wow, that was red for a few seconds. Nissan driver. Come on. Yeah, what's that choker doing up there? It's a BMW only going 35 and it's a 50 and people are acting nuts. Get off your phone and fucking drive, you douche. Whoa, what the shit? BMW.
To rebuild on a modern 5-speed. Believe me, you're better off just going to a junkyard, buying a used 5-speed transmission and putting that in. Because
legally using the U-turn. Wow, shit, that was late. You're just gonna keep going, Kia. What the fuck was that? Whoa, what the fuck? Come on, guys, hurry up. That was bad. There's a cop right there, too, that's not doing anything. Whoa, holy shit! Holy fuck! Fuck, man. What are you doing backing out? You suck.
Just juice! She sold me a juicer. I thought it was a wood chipper. You can juice stuff I didn't know had juice in it. And I can't have just juice. I don't do well. Third.
Yeah, you turned way after that red arrow must have ended. If you're going to ShopRite, you're in the wrong lane. Oh, you are so talented. You are definitely gonna get laid tonight. Oh, what the hell? Straight from... You are dumb. Oh, yeah, a bunch of people ran. Come on, we can do it. You can do it. There we go. It's an always stop, dude. And they're jaywalking. And they're, come on. Hey.
I was giving him shit. As he stopped at the door, he's going, oh,
seriously? They just run through solid red light? Come on. You stink. You snooze, you lose. You're gonna keep going. Of course you are. Douchebag. Yep. It's about 1:15 right now. Oh, jeez. What was that? Yes, it was. Oh, way the fuck red. Come on, go! You got a lane, come on!
I want to go to that place the zipline place in Jordan.
Whoa.
It's in New Haven.
Yeah.
That was bad. Red light runner. Uh-oh, cat.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Talk about crushing pussy.
Douchebag. Is that a green? What the fuck was that? That was red. Oh my god, seriously, both of yous? Turn them off. Dude. Hey. That was red Honda. Not from the right lane. You don't have a stop. You can keep going.